I'ma still be like this. Comfort zone.
We
season, we cook it, we eat it. Season, we cook it, we eat it. Hey,
A drizzle, a pop. A drizzle, a pop. A drizzle, a drizzle, a drizzle, a pop.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today what we are having is some baked chicken that I made in the air fryer and some crispy smashed potatoes and some green beans. Oh yes, so stay tuned to see how this dish comes together. Thank you all for coming and welcome to everyone. And welcome to my new subscribers. I hope you have been enjoying the channel thus far. So let's get into the ingredients. Here are our ingredients that we will be needing to make these delicious baked chicken breasts in our Ninja Foodie, okay? So as you can see, I have my mallet there. And that is because we are going to slice these in half. And then we are going to smash them down a little bit so they're not so thick. And there you see we have my girl, Shell Eats and Cooks, her butter saucy sauce. Yes, that is what we're going to be basing our chicken with in between cooking time, okay? And then you see that I have our Caribbean green seasoning there that we will be using. So let's go and get started, guys. So our breast has been cleaned off with some vinegar and lemon juice, okay? And as you see, I'm just cutting them into, I say fillets, huh? And I'm cutting this down some more, just a little. All right, I am going to use the mallet on this one, so I don't want to get it too thin. We want some nice pieces as well, so that's good, right? Let's get our baggie, put it in here, nice and flats. Take our mallet and just, all right, that's good. All right, guys, so we're just going to season it with some complete seasoning on both sides. And some freshly cracked black pepper, okay? All right, flip it on the other side, because then we're going to put it in a baggie and let it marinate in our green Caribbean green seasoning for about 2 hours, okay? So we had grabbed us another clean Ziploc bag to put these in. So place it in your Ziploc bag, guys. And then we're going to pour our green seasoning in here. Okay, just going to get our green seasoning and just put it in here. Remember, got all that deliciousness in there. If you didn't see that video yet of me making the Caribbean green seasoning, take the ear out the bag, guys. Head on over and watch that video. I will place a clip somewhere in there, and you're just going to massage it all in there. All right, make sure you coating all of the chicken in that green seasoning. I hope you guys are having a blessed day. Thank you for watching my last video, and thank you for keep returning. I'm glad you guys are enjoying the videos. I've been loving the comments. We're going to put this in the fridge for 2 to 3 hours and then continue on. All right, y'all. Per your request, you requested to see me make some crispy smashed potatoes. So here we go, y'all. We're going to use some sea salt. And we're going to bring these potatoes, red potatoes, up to a boil. Okay. Yes. Okay. Sea salt. I'm gonna add some pepper. Let's get some avocado oil in here. Ooh. Yes. All right, this is gonna come up to a boil. Next, we're gonna get our herb butter, our herb garlic butter ready. Okay, y'all. So we're gonna work on our infused butter. So I got 1 stick of salted butter there. We're gonna let this melt down, and then we're gonna add in the rest of our ingredients. All right, y'all. Let's throw in our rosemary, throw in our thyme, parsley. And we smashed our garlic cloves. Let's get those in there. Black pepper. I'm adding just a little bit of cayenne pepper. Give it a stir. I'm going to turn this down low and let all of those delicious herbs, garlic, butter, pepper get infused. Our potatoes still got a few more minutes to cook, and I'll be right back. All right, y'all, we're going to set our butter to the side and let's get started on our potatoes because they are ready. So go ahead and preheat your oven to 450 degrees, okay? This one here is a little bit too big for me, so I'm just going to slightly go ahead and just cut it like that. I have our potato masher, and just lightly, guys, lightly, because you don't want, you know, just like that, because we don't want them to fall apart. So slightly mash, not too heavy like I'm tending to do right here, because when you go to turn it, you want it to turn and not fall apart, you know, be great. It's hot, guys, so remember, if you want to let it cool off some, I didn't too much, so you can be able to handle it. Okay, so I'm gonna finish these and then I'm come with the next step. So let's drizzle with a little of our avocado oil, fresh cracked pepper. I'm adding a little bit of garlic powder on it, onion powder, sorry. All right, and now we're going to pop this in the oven for 15 minutes, and we're going to top these with some Parmesan cheese, some of that delicious infused butter, and put it in the oven for about 3 to 4 minutes until the cheese is nice and melted. Right. Don't forget your kosher salt. Yes, how can I forget the salt? All right, guys, so we're back. They're crispy on that side. Ooh wee. We're just gonna flip these over. Ooh, you see some of it coming loose. It's okay, it's all right. Not always perfect, but it's good for me. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit more, just a little. We're gonna put this back in there for about 10 minutes because they're kind of crispy already, so keep an eye on it until it's like golden brown. Season the same side with the same ingredients, I mean the other side. So that is seasoned. We're gonna pop this back in the oven. This time, what I want to do is, because I want this infused butter to kind of get down in there, you know, and start penetrating into the potato. So I am going to take some of our infused butter. Okay. I know I put a little oil on it, just a little bit. Okay. Just like that. Oh, it smells so good, guys. Listen. Because I want it to start penetrating through. that potato. All right, I'll be right back. All right, guys, our chicken is ready. Okay, it's been marinating for longer than 3 hours. Okay, so we are ready to pop some of these. I'm not gonna cook all of them, okay, in the air fryer. I mean, in the Ninja Foodie. So we are ready to pop some of these and get our baked chicken going. So first thing you see in here, I have some lemon slices, some onions, and some garlic in there. Now I'm gonna put in a little avocado oil. I have this on medium high so we can saute this, okay? Stir it up a little bit. Guys, this is for the broth that I was going to use to pour over the chicken, which I didn't, and also to infuse the flavors during pressure cooking time. Okay, so once this starts cooking up a little bit, guys, I am then going to add in 1 cup of water. I'm going to add in a little bit of chicken bouillon. A little black pepper. Right, time for us to turn this into pressure cooker mode. But first we're going to add our things in here. So I'm taking it off a saute. 1 cup of water. Add in a little bit of fresh parsley. That's the chicken bouillon. Give it a stir. So while we are sauteing, this is actually preheating our pressure cooker as well. Guys, these are perfect. Look at the golden on there. So now we're just going to sprinkle, okay, with a generous amount of Parmesan cheese. Put them back in until the cheese melt, guys. So about 3 minutes and we're done. Our crispy potatoes is done. And then we're going to top it with some more of our infused garlic. Oh, yes. All right, guys, so let's place our chicken in here. Okay. Look at that marinade, guys. Don't that look beautiful? Yes. Our potatoes are ready. Another piece. I told you I'm not using all of this. So these 2 nice pieces, it's going to be good. And all those juices are going to drop down to the bottom. So I have our pressure cooker on high. We make room on high. And we're going to pressure cook for 10 minutes. Okay. Guys, look at that. Oh, yes. There you have it, guys. You have your crispy smashed potatoes. Ooh. Oh, yes. So, you see this chicken, and it's tender, but it's still moist. It's foggy. Hold on, y'all. Yeah, but it's still moist. So we're going to go ahead and put this on baking for about 10 minutes. All right, guys. So as I mentioned, we're going to be using Shell Eat Sauce, her saucy sauce. Okay. This is what her sauce look like. Don't that look good, guys? Look at that. Yes. I've made Shell Eat sauce, but this is her sauce from her kitchen, guys. Yes, it is. And I'm going to drizzle a little olive oil, which I should have did already. But I'm going to let this bake down a little bit, because this is a butter sauce. So I'm not even going. Let's see how it goes for a little bit, because this is a butter sauce, and I don't want to overdo it with too much oil and butter. Okay, look at that. All right, guys, so we're gonna do 10 minutes on 375 baking time. I'll be right back. Guys, look at that saucy sauce baking in. We about to flip it, all right? And put some on the other side. I missed some in the corner. You see that? I flipped it over. Put some more of the Shell Eat saucy sauce on. I decided to leave out Jill's seasoning because her sauce has so much flavor. So, yeah. Ooh, I can't wait to eat. Hey guys, we are back. Look at that deliciousness. Ooh, yes. Get into it, y'all. Oh God. Let's taste these crispy potatoes, okay? These crispy smashed potatoes. Let's see what it's hitting for. Did y'all get your bite? That butter. Infused butter. Lord. Let's get into this chicken with that Shell's Eats. Saucy sauce. Y'all want one bite? Look at that. And with that Caribbean green seasoning. Guys, this is good. That chicken good. That chicken is good. Baby, I'm loving it. Get into them green beans. Guys, this was a delicious meal. I thank each and every one of you guys for always rocking with me, y'all. This was banging. The air fryer did its thing. Well, the foodie ninja did its thing. And this is perfect. Get into it. Shell Eat Your sauce is delicious. I really love it. Yes, I love it. I didn't even use any of my gravy because the sauce was so flavorful. Anyway, guys, thank you guys for coming. Like I said, I hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up. Comment down below. Let me know what you think about this video and what you would like to see next on Jill's Comfort Zone. I have some more deliciousness coming your way. If you have not subscribed yet, come on and join the family. All we want to do is love on you while we love on you. All we want to do is love on you while you love on us. And hit the notification bell so you can be reminded of when I come to you with another delicious meal. Make you some of this deliciousness. Seriously, I'm enjoying it. So until next time, as I always say, I love you. Stay blessed and peace out. Go over there and order you some saucy sauce, butter saucy sauce from Shell Eats and Cooks. Her link will be down below in the description box. Later. Jill Comfort Zone. Jill Comfort Zone. Sizzle and pop. Sizzle and pop. Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle and pop.